Hello everyone, this is Mohammad Irshad Reza. I am going to give you a brief description regarding our recent published paper in Endocrine Metabolic and Immune Disorder Drug Targets. The aim of our paper was to unravel the involvement of epigenetic programming of adiponectin gene in the development of metabolic disorders like type 2 diabetes, fatty liver diseases, atherosclerosis and obesity. To understand this, first of all, we need to know what is adiponectin. As the name suggests, adiponectin is a kind of adipokine secreted by adipocytes. The primary role of adiponectin is involvement of insulin sensitivity. It reduces the level of free fatty acids as well as it activates the expression of IRS1, AKT1 that ultimately contributes in enhancement of insulin sensitivity. Furthermore, there are several studies that have shown that the reduced level of adiponectin is directly involved in the development of type 2 diabetes as well as fatty liver diseases. There are a series of factors like inflammation, hypertide consumption as well as oxidative stress that causes the epigenetic changes of adiponectin. So what is epigenetics? As the name suggests, epigenetics is the changes in the hereditary level of any gene without the involvement in the change in the DNA sequences. So there are three different kinds of epigenetic changes, which is DNA methylation, histone modification as well as RNA mediated silencing. So DNA methylation involves DNMTs. There are various kinds of DNMTs, which is DNMT1, DNMT3A, 3B, as well as DNMT4 and 5 also there. So these DNMTs causes DNA methylation of adiponectin that ultimately reduces the expression of adiponectin. More than that, there are other factors which is called histone modification. Histone modification involves various enzymes like HDAC, HMT. HDACs and HMT causes histone modification like histone acetylation as well as histone methylation of adiponectin gene that further reduces its expression. Similarly, microRNA, which is a short fragment of RNA that also acts on 3' untranslated region of adiponectin gene and reduces its expression. Ultimately, reduction of expression of adiponectin gene by the various epigenetic factors contributes in enhancement of insulin resistance, which is decline in insulin sensitivity that ultimately precipitates the development of various metabolic disorders. To conclude, we can say that the environmental factors, inflammation as well as oxidative stress causes changes in epigenetics level of adiponectin that reduces its expression and ultimately contributes to the development of metabolic disorders. Thank you.